Hello everyone, welcome to Canon Coffee. Today we got this Jura A9 with us in the shop, and pretty much what we did is a tune-up on this machine, pretty much opening up the whole machine, taking out the brew group, or the brew unit, replacing all the gaskets on the machine, also doing cleaning cycles and descaling cycles. Also, your brew unit was having problems, so we did fix it. It wasn't wanting to go forward when it needed to, so after it would grind coffee through here, it will try to push this way, which will go to your spouts, but it didn't want to, so we did fix that problem also. So now we're going to test the machine by doing espresso and letting it grind. We're also going to test the hot water and steam functions of the machine to make sure everything's running well. See, pretty good shot of coffee. And it's just the hot water function now. So you see a very steady stream of hot water coming out. Then it's going to pump it through. That's working well also. Then we're going to test the steam by doing a milk foam. And it's going to get hot, start heating up. As you can see, a very, very heavy steam coming up, so everything's looking well. That's everything for this repair. If you like this repair or any of our other videos, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.